Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the ROG Ally X off and removing any micro SD or external devices. You do not need obvious setup like chargers. Once done, ground yourself with a static strap and place the unit on a soft, non-conductive mat. Use a precision driver to remove the 6 visible screws. Keep them organized by location. Carefully pry the backplate at the notch, lifting straight up to avoid flexing the board. This first access step prevents damage and sets you up for the SSD swap. Now you locate the M.2 SSD bay and identify the tiny retaining screw. This is the delicate middle step. You loosen that screw, tilt the existing SSD up slightly, and slide it out along the connector. Do not force it. Insert the new M.2 SSD aligned with the key notch, seat it at the same angle, and replace the screw to hold it. If you moved thermal pads or shielding, make sure to reapply or reposition them so cooling remains effective once the case is closed. Finish by replacing the backplate and returning screws to their original holes. You want even pressure across the chassis. Power on and enter BIOS. Confirm the new SSD appears, and if you're installing an OS, set it as the primary boot device. If Windows or the installer fails to see the drive, power down, reopen, and reseat the SSD while checking the connector for debris. Also make sure BIOS is updated. One key troubleshooting tip: a loose screw or misaligned connector is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.